They think I'm weird, Mum. Do you think I'm weird?
It's the dreamers like you who change this world for the better.
They mess.
Wow. Hey! What is this place?
You following us, pal?
Yeah, pal.
He's a human.
A human?
Listen up, human, because we're only gonna go over this once.
We're sprites, and this is the Everything Factory.
This is where we create things for the world. Trees,
Hello.
the weather, even life.
I love creating things. I make things all the time.
Rabbits don't have wings.
Mine does.
You've got a lot to learn about how the world really works, human.
There's something about him. I can feel it tickling my beard.
Humans can't see sprites, but he can see me.
Fascinating. The three of you must stay in your dorm until further notice. No ifs, no buts, no coconuts. Especially no coconuts.
Attack! This race are pure chaos. Every single thing we sprites create, this race destroys.
Nobody panic! Yeah! Everybody play dead!
This is so adventure-y!
Hooray.
What do we do now?
We fight!
You are not like the others, are you? There's more to you than meets the eye. I know who you are
Wolfboy, run!
and who you will become.